Alright, so we had a bit of wind and rain last night. It's all come pretty still this morning, quite airy. But there's cooking up some bacon and eggs for brekkie. It's Sunday morning. We've left camp, we've had brekkie, we're packed up. We're just following Jones's track or road, so we're actually heading across towards the old Tolmy road. This is another track I haven't done before. So far it's just dirt road. It is seasonally closed, so we'll just head across here and head across to the Kelly tree. I'll show you what's across there. Alright, so this is Holland Creek. Alright, so there was no signs from the campground saying that Jones's road was currently closed. We got to a gate that mentioned it's a logging area, don't go through, so we just turned back now. Just retracing our steps back through the campground. So some tight little tracks to turn around on, but all good. You might have seen the BT50 there in front of us joining us on this trip. That's my brother. You can find him on YouTube as well as Backroad Expeditions. He's also on Instagram as Backroad Expeditions as well. So when you come out of Jones's Road, just make a right-hand turn into Old Tolmy Road, and that will head towards the Kelly tree, Stringy Bark Creek. There is campgrounds at Stringy Bark Creek as well. We'll have a bit of a look at that. So we just made a detour. We're heading into a historic grave site. So we've turned left off the Tatong Tolmy Road into Madhouse Road, and we just took it right, and we're just about to check out this historic grave. Okay, so here we are at the gravesite of Emma Sophia Heller. She lived in the area till she was 42 years of age. She had 6 kids and 6 stepchildren. This is her gravesite here. She's the only white person to be buried in this area. So definitely worth catching up on. There's plenty of history around this area. Alright, so here we are at the Kelly tree. So this is famous for where Ned Kelly had a shootout with 3 Victorian police officers. 3 officers died that day and Ned and his brothers escaped. So the very first time I came here was back in about 1994. There was none of this walkway or paths or anything. I just came with a guy that lived in the area. He knew where the tree was. We sort of bush bashed our way through and saw the tree where it is now. So now, as you can see, it's all not campgrounds, but picnic areas. There's toilets, car parks and everything like that in the area. So it's just a short walk down to the Kelly tree. There's information boards and the campground's only another short 500 metre or so walk from here. So the shootout happened in 1878. A lot of history's gone into working out exactly where the sites happened, of maps of the day and things like that. I won't go into all the history of what happened. It's best if you just come up here, check it out for yourself. There's plenty of information online also if you want to have a look. But we'll just take you up to the actual tree and give you a quick look at it. Alright, so here's the Kelly tree. Little plaque there. You can see the face mask in there. It's all boardwalks and things here now. It's quite easy accessible. It's quite a windy day today. So we're on our way home now. So you would have seen we just camped at Jones's campground just south of Tatton. From there we made our way across to Stringy Bark Creek and the Kelly tree. Do keep in mind Jones's Creek campground is a seasonal campground there. It does close during the winter months. The map we used for the weekend was the Bright to Mansfield rooftops map, just a paper version. If you have liked what you've seen, feel free to click subscribe, or you can also follow us on what we get up to on a regular basis on our Instagram page at offroad_touring_life. So thanks for watching, and hopefully see you all again soon. Cheers.